Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this really smoky liner cut crease gold look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming my lids. I like to prime with concealer and then just set it all in place with some translucent powder. And for today's palette, I'm using my ABH Norvina Volume 3 palette. And I absolutely love this palette. I love the packaging and I think that there's a lot of pops of color in this palette, so you can definitely create some colorful looks as well. So it's really good for artists and super pigmented, this palette. So I like to go in with less and then slowly build my color. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. So first thing I'm doing is going into this shade right here called B5. I love how neutral this transition color is. It's the perfect shade for my skin as a transition color. So I'm just going to be applying this right smack in the middle of my crease, and I will be winging out that outer edge because we are going to be doing more of a cat eye type of look today. So I'm just kind of shaping it out using my transition color and just kind of laying this out. Next, I'm going into this shade right here with my angled brush. This is the shade E2, and I love how much of a brick undertone this brown has. It's more on the red side, and you don't see shadows like this too often, at least for me in my collection. So I absolutely love this shade. So I'm just applying this line of definition into my crease. I like to start in the center and just get the height of it down and then do the outer wing motion like I'm doing a winged liner. I just kind of do this a similar motion, and then I did the inner corner as well, so all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner. And that's just my favorite way to build depth in the crease. So next I'm going into a tapered blending brush, and I'm going into our first transition color, and I'm just literally going in left right motions to diffuse this line, and I'm keeping it super low. I don't like to go too high up near the brow bone. I like to keep my darker shades pretty low for the most part and slowly blend upward. So whenever I want to have a really intense crease, but I want to have it really nice and blended, I like to slowly build depth. So I'm repeating the same two steps, and this is just going to ensure that we have a really blended, defined crease. So I'm just redrawing that line with that same shadow, and then I'm going into an even smaller tapered brush, this time picking up that brick shade and just kind of diffusing that line, and it's just going to give us a really nice gradient. Next, I'm going into my angled brush and I'm picking up some concealer, and I'm just carving my crease and also applying this all over my lid. And this is just going to give us a really nice even base for all of the shadows that we're going to apply over top. And like always guys, when I apply concealer to carve my lid, I always set it in place with some translucent powder. We don't want to ruin the hard work that we did above. We don't want this concealer to budge at all or mix with the next few shades that we're going to apply. So I did go in with translucent powder, and then I'm going into this shade right here called C1 with my flat brush, and I did wet my brush with some Fix Plus, and then I'm just pressing this pigment all over my lid, and it's just going to give me a really nice pigmented lid shade. Next, I'm going into this Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Glitter, and this one is in the shade Day 2. And I did go in with glitter glue first. I went into my NYX glitter glue, and I just kind of drew a line of glitter glue, and then I'm just going with this Day 2 glitter over top. It's absolutely stunning. It has little gold flecks. And then I'm going to be going into my angled brush once again, going into that brick shade, and I'm just starting to apply a smoky wing. So I'm just kind of packing this shadow on my lash line. And then I'm going to be going into a fluffier tapered brush. And this is our first transition color that we went into, and I'm just kind of diffusing that smoky liner, and absolutely love the way that this turned out. I love smoky liner. So then I'm just peeling off my tape, and for lashes today I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bali lashes. And honestly guys, I have no idea when we're going to restock these, but just stay tuned for future content. We still do have a lot of lashes in stock, so go ahead and check out our website. Link will be in the description box down below. And then I'm going into our first transition color once again, just applying that to my lower lash line, and then going into that brick shade with my angled brush, getting even closer to my lower lashes. And then mixing the two shades together and just going in left to right motions. And then last but not least, I'm just going into my Mad Lash Mascara by The Balm and just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going into my Pixie Beauty Subtle Sunrise Highlight. And this is the finished look right here. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn post notifications on, and then comment down below if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway. It is for our US subscribers only. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!